Was a love triangle a contributing factor to Keshawn's death? Her sister is asking questions.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The heartbroken family of dancehall artist Keshawn is demanding that the police conduct a thorough investigation into the circumstances surrounding her death, reportedly at the hands of her lover, a licensed firearm holder who shot and killed her. They have a lot of questions about the nature of an alleged love triangle between Keshawn, her lover, and another woman, and the events of that fateful night. According to her sister, Keshawn was a humble soul. She does not talk much. She had been with this guy for some time now. He has a baby mother with 2 kids. He told my sister that he was no longer with the baby mother, which she believed because he stayed by her house sometimes, or she stayed by his house. My understanding is that he has been living a double life, denying both women to each other. Keshawn found out what he had been doing and she went to see him. He was not at home and she went to see if he was by the woman's house. He was there. They got into a fight and she smashed the car glass. They continued to fight and then she got shot. The sister believes there may be more to the story than was revealed in the initial police report. My understanding is that he took her to the hospital after all this. What I can't understand is, it is being said she stabbed him 3 times. However, he managed to drive her to the hospital. How? I can't wrap my head around it, she questioned. Checks with the Corporate Communications Unit of the Jamaica Constabulary Force revealed that there has been no ruling made whether the man would be charged. We know that he was treated and released from hospital, and that he gave a statement. But we have no further updates, said a representative from the CCU. Keshawn, whose real name is Kenisha Brown, was known for songs such as Bubble Your Body, Kill or Die, and The Goods, all of which she recorded with incarcerated dancehall superstar Vybz Kartel. Kartel is said to be saddened by the death of the female entertainer. The following message was posted on the DJ's Instagram page on Saturday.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.